In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort a dimension by a calculated field that uses a table calculation in Tableau. Whether you're a Tableau beginner or looking to deepen your data visualization skills, this step-by-step guide will make the process easy and straightforward. First things first, let's open the Tableau public app. Once you have it up and running, head over to your worksheet where we will begin to organize our data. Start by navigating to the top menu and clicking on Analysis. From there, choose Create Calculated Field. This tool allows us to generate calculated fields that can perform various operations on our data. Give your new calculated field a meaningful name that corresponds to the operation you plan to perform. Input the necessary query into the text box and click OK to save it. We are going to repeat this process, so go back to Analysis and select Create Calculated Field once again. Name this second field appropriately, type in your query, and click OK to proceed. Next, click the drop-down arrow in your workspace and select Create Parameter. Name this new parameter top n, which will help us dynamically filter our data. Make sure to set the current value to 5 and then click OK to confirm your settings. Once again, head over to Analysis and Create Calculated Field to create another calculated field. After naming it and inputting your query, click OK to save. Now drag Order Date to the columns shelf. This action structures your data chronologically. Next, pull the subcategory field to the rows shelf to categorize your entries visually. Place the sales measure on the text shelf to display the sales data directly on the chart. After placing your measures and dimensions correctly, right-click on your data in the view and navigate to Quick Table Calculation. Select Compound Growth Rate from the drop-down list to apply this specific financial calculation to your sales data. Once you've added the table calculation, right-click again and choose Format. From the Format options, navigate to Numbers, select Percentage, and ensure the decimal is set to 0 for a clean percentage-based display. Now find your rank calculated field, right-click, and select Convert to Discrete. This step allows us to sort our data by rank. Drag this field to the rows shelf, positioning it before the subcategory. Right-click on your header once more and choose Edit Table Calculation. When the options appear, select Table down to define how your data will be sorted and calculated. Move your top-end filter calculated field into the Filters pane. Select Include within the options presented and click OK to apply this filter. This action enables you to see only the top N items based on your earlier parameters. Finally, go to the Parameters pane, select Top N, right-click, and choose Show Parameter. This final step makes your parameter visible and adjustable directly within your worksheet, offering a dynamic edge to your data visualization. And that's it. You've successfully sorted a dimension by a calculated field using a table calculation in Tableau. By following these steps, you can create more meaningful and dynamically sorted visualizations in your data projects. Happy visualizing!